Here we are continuing our tour, and we're at the David Lyng office in downtown Santa Cruz, located at 129 Water Street. We love this location because of the walkability to all the nearby restaurants, coffee shops, not to mention we are a stone's throw from the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk and the Santa Cruz Warriors Stadium. Fun location, tons of energy down here, and the inside is pretty nice too. When you come into the office, you'll be greeted by a very happy, friendly receptionist who's here to serve our clients and our agents. And walking around the office, you'll see we have several private offices as well as some very comfortable conference rooms for our agents and clients to enjoy. So that's our quick stop in downtown Santa Cruz. Now we're on to Scotts Valley.